Hey you guys, it's Science and Exploration back with another video. Here for the Mars Mission 2020. Let's get into this video. Although the film is from 2002, you can see how it is anticipated, so let's get into this video. The launch window, which means when it's going to be launched, is July 17th to August 5th, 2020. The place where it's going to be launched is Cape Canaveral Air Force Station in Florida. The landing site will be Jezero Crater, Mars. It will be landing on February 18, 2021. The mission duration is going to be at least one Mars year, or 687 Earth days. The Mars 2020 rover is based on the Mars Science Laboratory Curiosity rover configuration. It is car-sized, about 10 feet long, 9 feet wide, and 7 feet tall. But at 2,314 pounds, it weighs less than a compact car. In some sense, the rover parts are similar to any creature would need to keep it alive and be able to explore. The Mars 2020 rover has the following parts: a body, the structure that protects the rover's vital organs, the brains, computers to process information, temperature controls such as internal heat, a layer of insulation, and more, neck and head, a mask for the cameras to give the rover a human-scale view, eyes and ears, cameras and instruments that give the rover information about its environment, arm and hand, a way to extend its reach and collect rock samples for study, wheels and legs, parts for mobility, electricity and power, batteries and power, communications, antennas for speaking and listening. Thanks for watching. Now you guys can just sit back, relax, and watch the rest of the animation. See ya.